Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to copy Casey Conception and Happy Ang Pauko's BIBIMBAP recipe. I have my ingredients in here, so I'm seriously ready. If you guys are my friends for a while now, you know that I love Casey Conception. Literally my idol ko yan. She is my biggest inspiration. I saw that she did the bibimbap and it looks so delicious, so I'm going to copy her. We should start. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna watch her video and then we will follow along. Oh, by the way guys, Casey, she has a kitchen collabs. Ano bang tawag nun? Ang fancy kasi ni Casey magsalita ng kitchen collabs na show. So yeah, I think we can start making our food now. So I have the ingredients ready in here. I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Of course, I will have my phone with me because I'm gonna be watching Casey. We have English, I think they call this English cucumber, mushrooms, spinach, julienne, carrots, and I'm also gonna be using green onions. We will need eggs for the toppings later, olive oil or any oil that you have in hand. It could be coconut oil, vegetable oil, black pepper, and salt. I'm using Himalayan salt, sesame oil, rice vinegar, the gochujang. You can find this in your nearest Asian store. And then I have brown sugar. You can also use honey if you don't have brown sugar. The other ingredients that you will need is rice. Yeah! Alright, let's start off by making our sauce. Okay, she said 6 tablespoons of gochujang.
Okay, add your garlic.
Garlic! I almost forgot the garlic. We can't forget the garlic. How could me? Add the garlic. I will just leave in the description box below the list of ingredients. But basically, I'm just gonna add a lot of garlic, so we don't see the reason not to. She said apple cider vinegar, but I am going to use rice vinegar. That's what I have in here. So rice vinegar, sesame oil. So the sesame oil, I might have added a lot of vinegar.
Little water.
Add some water. And brown sugar. I don't know how much to add. Let's just add more. Okay, sugar, and then let's mix it all together. It smells so good already. I'm working hard. Also good. And then set that aside. So we can start cooking.
Try it lightly, and then you can set it aside to use it for toppings later. Can I see what yours looks like?
So we started our pan. It's medium heat, and Happy said to season your vegetables. So let's season it with salt and pepper. Okay, it's good. I think if you like pepper, you can add more, right? Let's add our oil and the sesame oil. Heat the oil in a pan, bright color first. Casey was so cute. She said she doesn't know what julienne julienne means, so she had to Google it. So add some oil and some sesame oil, and let's cook this until it turns transparent. Tumahimik na siya. So move it to the plate. Said just continue adding some oil, olive oil and sesame oil. Add the cucumber. Cook it. Let's cook the cucumber. Okay, next we will add the carrots. So again, maglagay ulit tayo ng oil, sesame oil, add in the carrots. They actually added bean sprouts, however, I ran out. Okay, nilagay ko na yung spinach. Yeah. Ayan. So we will cook our eggs here. So let's add in some oil and let's add our egg. Let's set aside this one with our pot. So, olive oil again. Just ko, ang daming oil. Ang cholesterol natin. Olive oil again. My husky is safe. Pag mainit na siya, we can add our rice. Nako, tapos na si Casey. At ako hindi pa tapos. So yung gagawin ko, ilalagay ko yung the stuff on top of the rice. So we're done. Turn off the heat. Let's assemble our vegetables. So, add some vegetables in here. Hindi lang ako yung kakain nito, ha? My husband kakain din. And our cucumber. Ayan. Guwapa siya, parang si Casey. Ayan! And now we can add in our eggs. Na ano yata siya. Okay lang. Maganda pa rin naman siya. Parang si Casey lang. Sprinkle it roasted sesame seeds and the gochujang. Ayan. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Excited na ako. Yan. Tapos na ako magluto. Yes! Love you, Case. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!